Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So a long time may was showing issues when you double click, triple clicks, but Chrome browser is not opened properly. Heavy uh, click and long time to open. So how to fix, guys? When you open and restart your computers and restart your browser, and I give you method how to fix these problems. Okay, firstly go to the history and clear all. Do not check the passwords, sites, host data. You want to check only browser history, not cache, cookies, sites, and download history, and select to time all time. Okay, then because this is any save password, so you want to enter again. Okay, the data clear data. Okay, second method. Then guys, open new tab and then press shift and escape button. Open task manager, shift and escape. So this is, and click to end process, because this service is very dangerous for use for empty service and using. Okay, you just click and end task and then okay, then close. And guys, you check your Chrome browser and extension is added like VPN, uh, ad blocker, what you want to know. So please remove all, because when your Chrome browser you launching, so that's background Chrome's backgrounds working extensions software like VPN and ad blocker service is also running. So that's why Chrome browser is open very late. Then guys, click setting, system, use hardware elections when available. So if you are off, so click to on. Okay, next method. Then guys, again click to setting, privacy and security, slow down, cookies and other site data allowed all cookies and slow down. So this is enable preloaded page, faster browsing than service. You off, so on. Okay guys, have an issue please comment me. This is all, follow this all method. Okay, bye bye, take care.